How's everybody doing? Just doing a quick little update on the CBE Engage. If you're following me on Instagram, I had some issues with it. Um, just the hardware is kind of shoddy, but other than that, the site is super awesome. This is the 5-pin hybrid adjustable site. It comes with a bunch of different site tapes on it. I have the 10 on there right now for my VXR. It's a 30-inch draw length. It's got the 75-pound mods on it. Super easy to do the sight tape. What it is you sight in your 5 pins, and with your 60 yard pin as the slider, you shoot it at 20 yards, hash that off, then shoot at 60, hash that off, and with the little measuring tape that comes with the kit, you measure those two lines and it gives you the number that you need for that. And it's super accurate. Actually, it's pretty impressive. However, got it set up on here, though there's a few issues that I have with it. It's a super solid sight. The pins are insanely bright, comes with a light on it. I'll start with what I didn't like. You can see that pin, the silver pin there, and the 2 silver pins that I have right there. I had to put those in for the gang adjustment on the elevation. They come with super small screws right there, as you can see, and they tend to strip out, get loose, and then the whole housing rattles when you shoot. The other thing is, you can see, there we are, the stainless steel pin there that I have on the bottom here. That adjusts the 3rd axis on the sight, and it actually seized on me. So I had to put it on the mill, clean it out, and put a new one in. For a brand new sight I've had for a month, that was the issues that I had. Other than that, it's super awesome. Sight's in good, super easy. Flip it over here. You got the micro adjust for each one of the pins. What you do is, if I could focus here, I don't know if it's gonna be able to focus. See each one of the Allens behind each one of the pins. What you do is you loosen it 4 turns, and then you turn this dial on the top, and it micro adjusts each one of the pins, whichever one you loosen up, but you're able to do it on each one of the pins. And yeah, the micro adjust on it is just awesome, which I love a lot. You do not have a micro adjust for the elevation on the housing. You do, however, have a micro adjust for the windage for the housing. So once you get the housing at the elevation that you need, the windage and the pins are micro adjust, which is super awesome. What else? So housing, it's got the super bright chartreuse color. You can't really see it here. It's kind of whites itself out, but it's very bright, and it's really easy to see through the peep sight. You just use the little dial right there, turn that to the left to unlock it, and the dial there to scroll to your desired distance that you would like. Being from the West Coast, we shoot a lot further distances, so I got the 5-pin. They do come with a 1-pin, and I believe they even come with a 3-pin. But all in all, awesome sight. Just griping about those pins that I had to put in, or the bolts I had to put in. Other than that, love it. And if you guys are interested in it, I would definitely try it out. Swap out the hardware on it if you want, or try a different site, obviously, if you're worried about that. But all in all, very happy with the site.